How to turn on or turn off auto delete after forwarding iCloud mail on iPhone. First, let's return back to the home screen. Now from the home screen, tap on settings. Then in settings, we tap on your Apple account name at the top. Then tap on iCloud. Now in here, tap on the CO button. Then tap on iCloud mail. In here, scroll down and tap on mail forwarding. Make sure you tap on the toggle button to turn on mail forwarding. And then we go down and tap on delete after forwarding. So after the email has been forwarded to the set address, it will automatically get deleted from your inbox. And here's a make sure the email you're forwarding is correct. Messages can't be recovered after they have been deleted. So if you put in the wrong email address here and those email get deleted, you cannot recover them. Okay, tap on the accept button at the top to save the changes. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.